All right, if you're a coach or a B2B agency or you sell anything to businesses, I'm going to teach you how to run profitable Facebook and Instagram ads to generate high quality leads for your company on autopilot. And let me tell you, we haven't even changed our ad copy or our creative in like 3 months, and we're still generating ads for $20 per lead. I'm going to show you exactly how to do that, copy and paste into your business. We're going to dive into my ads manager, go over the creative, the audience, the call to action that you're going to need to generate unlimited leads on autopilot for 20 bucks a lead. But that's not enough. After we get out of our ads manager, I'm going to teach you how to automate this whole process so that when you get the lead, now you have a much higher chance, in fact, an 8 times higher chance of converting that lead into a call and decreasing the chance of a no-show and also increasing the lead quality. This short 3-step framework is going to teach you how to do this without anything complicated so that literally a monkey can do it. You don't need a Facebook ads agency. You don't need a full-time marketing director to do your Facebook ads. I do our Facebook ads, and I've been able to get it to this point very effectively with this very basic knowledge and strategy. So strap in. Here we go. I'm going to teach you how to run profitable Facebook ads for your agency or coaching business. If you're new to the channel, my name is Jay Feldman. I'm one of the founders of Otter PR, the top-rated PR firm on Clutch, G2, and UpCity. We're an 8-figure agency based out of Florida. The reason I'm making this video for you isn't to sell you any coaching courses or paid consult. It's literally so that you can grow your business to a big enough number where you need to hire a PR firm. And if you're doing $1 million plus, you need to hire a PR firm. And I hope you choose Otter PR. And if you stay until the end of this video, I'm going to be giving you the automation that we use to take the leads that we get from Facebook and convert them into high-paying calls. It's an 8-step automation that's going to blow your mind. And I'm going to give you the link to it just so you can copy and paste it. All you have to do is stay with me until the end. I'm going to tell you how to get it. All right, and we are now inside of my ads manager. And look at that. We only have 2 campaigns running. This is a trial one. We've got a lead gen campaign and a retargeting campaign. Usually the fancier that you get with your advertising, the worse that it actually is. You can build out these really long, complex funnels and campaigns for your advertising people to go through, and you're still not going to get $23 leads, I promise you. All you got to do is follow the simple advice that I'm about to tell you, and you are going to get $23 leads, no problem. All right, now the first thing that you're going to have to do is follow the simple recipe. 1, you need the right call to action. 2, you need the right audience. 3, you need the right creative. The call to action that you're going to be using to generate leads on an autopilot for your coaching program or your agency is going to be a lead gen form. This is by far the least expensive lead that you're going to get on social media. It's really easy for people to fill out, and you're going to get their accurate information every time because it's the information that they use to sign up directly on Facebook. Lead form ads are the way to go. You can try messenger ads, you can try sending them to your own landing page, but nothing is going to get you the low price and accurate information that you're going to get with Facebook lead form ads. That's because it keeps you on their platform. So Facebook likes that. They like that they're not leaving Facebook. So they push these ads more so that you end up getting more exposure for less money. If you're not already using these in your business, it's the best thing that you can possibly do. Seeing who's interested and getting their information. That's all we're trying to do here. Who's interested in my service, and then get their information so that we can teach them more, get them on a call. In fact, we book almost 1 out of 5 of these lead forms actually turn into calls. The rest of them turn into leads in our CRM that we can feed them more information, try and sell them other products and services. A $20 lead for us is crazy. One of those leads is worth $2,000 for us. We're paying 1/100th of what one of these leads is worth for us on autopilot without hardly any maintenance. Again, I manage these on my own, and it's very, very simple. All right, let's take a look at my ads manager. That's a little sneak peek at the Zap that I'm going to be showing you towards the end. So stay tuned. All right, a lead gen campaign. When you're creating a campaign in Facebook, you're going to create campaign, choose leads, and then you're going to set up the ad just as you would elsewhere. It's going to be an instant form that you're going to create within your ad. I'm not going to walk you through that because you're better than that. And if you want a full tutorial on Facebook ads, leave it in the comments and I will give you one. I'm just telling you, make a lead campaign, use an instant form, which you'll create during that ad campaign, and that's your call to action. Your call to action, which is pillar number 1, is give me your information if you're interested. It keeps them on Facebook. They fill out this very simple form, and now you have access to that information. Call to action, lead form. 2, audience. I like to do a couple of things with audience, but the most important thing is that you're using a lookalike audience if you have enough data, and that you're testing other audiences. Always be testing until you have something that works. Use a lookalike audience. If you don't have enough data, get enough data, create a lookalike audience. Those are where you're going to get your very best results. So that is secret number 2, essentially, for audiences. My Facebook audiences is different interest stacks. We're a PR agency, so I would look for people who are owners of companies, interested in marketing, also interested in Gary Vaynerchuk. That's an interest stack. Also interested in. For more information on that, I will be going over it in a full tutorial. If you want one, put it in the comments. All right, let's dive into this campaign, see what we're working with here. So we've got 2 active running right now. We know that these 2 are very profitable. They're generating leads at $20 and $26. We're spending $50 a day on each, so really not that much, but most of our leads aren't coming from Facebook, so that's fine. And these audiences, J-Curated versus ad set. J-Curated is the interest stack ad set that I know works. It's generating a little bit higher quality, but for a little bit higher amount. This one is our lookalike audience. So people who have purchased our business, people who are interacting with our business, Facebook is creating lookalikes for them and presenting it to those people. Important to know, Facebook is very, very good at knowing who their audience is, so who is signed up for Facebook and what they like. So if people are interacting with your ads, over time Facebook will learn this and it will present that information to people who are similar to them so that it gets better results for lower money. Facebook's job is to make you the most money that it possibly can so you continue to spend money on Facebook ads. So let your pixel learn. If your ads aren't profitable in the first week, 2 weeks, 4 weeks, it's okay. It's because likely your pixel isn't trained yet. You need to keep running that ad, keep pouring money into it, and keep testing so that Facebook can learn who to show your ad to so you can get the best result for the lowest cost. All right, in terms of creative, and this is the other most important thing that you can do, use video creative, specifically long video creative for reels and stories. Reel ads are doing the absolute best right now at the beginning of 2023, so I highly recommend that you use them. It should look as organic as possible, so don't just do like straight up advertisements with texts. You should do engaging content that people actually want to stop, watch the ad, and click on it. And that should be done very organically and naturally. It also works really well for TikTok ads. All right, so as you can see, all of the ad creative that we use is video. I don't know how to easily click into here. All right, so if you're looking on the left side here, all of these are video ads. They're very successful. They're all different types of video. And the goal here is that people will see all of these different videos and eventually one of them will resonate and convert. So if we're talking about creative, use video, do it in reel format, and test. You'll never know which one's going to hit. You should always be importing new ad creative into your campaigns to see which one is performing better. It's also going to train the pixel to see who's interested in your ad. Google will learn based on who's clicking on it, and people will click on it based on what their interests are. So if you're showing an ad that is PR related and they click on it, Google says, that's the kind of person who likes PR. I'm going to show it to more people like that. So your creative and your ad copy should tell them what it is that you do and entice them to click on the ad. So show-stopping creative, copy that shows them what you do. Facebook will learn which type of person is clicking, show it to more people that are clicking. This is called training your pixel. So I'm not going to give you any specific hacks on how to create awesome creative or ad copy because there's really no hack. What I recommend that you do is upload a ton of different creative that's in reel format and test it. You can also do square creative as well so that you can show it more on the feed than it does the reels. Put it on the right side. Let it do its thing, but upload different forms of creative. I understand that what I just told you is very surface level, and it assumes that you know a lot about Facebook ads. If you didn't know a lot about Facebook ads and you don't know how to get where I got based on the information I just told you, go back and watch Facebook ads tutorials, how to set up a lead gen form ad. And if you want me to create one, please leave it in the comments and I'll do so. This is assuming that you understand how to set up ad campaigns, test audiences, create ad creative, create ad copy. There's a lot of different layers that go into being good at Facebook ads, and you need each one dialed in if you're going to be successful. This is to tell you If you're an agency owner or a marketer and you already have creative, you understand Facebook ads, exactly what to do to be successful. And this next step is going to take that one step further. The limitation with Facebook lead gen forms is that you do not really have access to the data easily. You have to go in and download it. It gives you as a CSV. And if you're getting 20, 30 leads per day like we can be at some points, that can be very tedious. Taking all those spreadsheets, uploading them to your CRM, attacking them. So what I recommend that you do with these ads is set up a Zapier link as the one you see on the screen so that you can automatically feed that lead data into your company. And again, if you stay till the end with me, I'm going to show you the link. I'll tell you how to get the link to this exact Zap that we use to feed this data across your company to convert these leads into calls and into sales. So the first thing you need to do is create a Google Sheet with the headers from the questions that you're asking in your lead form. You can customize that lead form to ask anything that you want. I recommend keeping it relatively short so the barrier to entry is there but not too high so that people are actually completing that form. And then you're going to feed the Facebook leads directly into this form using Zapier. So the first thing that it does is take that lead info, throw it into a spreadsheet, then it throws that lead into our CRM so they automatically get more information. You need to have a CRM, you need to have an email automation. If you don't know what I'm talking about, you're watching a video that's too advanced for you, you need to go back and watch some videos on CRMs and automations. It then sends a personalized email to that Facebook lead contact, introducing our team, giving them information on how to book a call. Within this automation, it also sends them a text message. Please send them a text message as soon as they fill out a lead form. It's going to increase your conversion rates by 8 times. Then it's going to create a task in Asana for our sales team to then go and follow up on that lead, call them, qualify them, get them on the phone. If you have the resources to do that, you need to. Hire a entry-level sales associate to do this for every single lead that comes into your company. The sooner that you get to them, the better chance that you have of getting them on the phone and creating good rapport for your company, creating trust. All right, so that is what this automation does. If you want access to it, send me a DM on Instagram at Dr. J. Feldman. I want automation. That's all you have to send me in the DM, and I'll show you how to get it. You do need to be following and subscribed to my channel, and then I'll send you that information right away. All right, guys, if you're an agency owner or a coach and you found this helpful, please watch the next video that goes into the details of that automation, how to set it up, how to get the most out of your leads, and how your salespeople can follow up with them quickly to generate the most calls for the most bang for your buck. And if you found this helpful, please like and subscribe. Keep an edge over your competition. I'm going to be releasing a lot of videos like this that help you generate more leads for less. Thank you. See you in the next one.